Hi everyone, I am Yasuko and it's time for Massage Monday. Valentine's Day is just around the corner, so this week I'm going to share some tips on how to fill couples massage time. Let's say you agree to give 5 minutes of massage. Typically, as soon as you start massaging, the time starts to slow down and your thumbs and fingers start burning and 5 minutes feels like forever. Here are some tips on how to fill the massage time easier. Number 1. Slow down. When you slow down whatever you're doing, it simply takes longer and fills the time quicker. Slowing down also makes it feel more sincere to your partner rather than rushing through. It also feels deeper because you have longer skin contact. One good way to slow down is to match the breathing with your partner and press as you both exhale because the body relaxes when you exhale. Number 2. Break into smaller segments. You massage the muscles and not the bones, and muscles are usually between the bones. So pick an area like a shoulder between the base of the neck and shoulder bone. I would start with 3 points to focus on, but you can divide it into 5 or even 10 points to focus on and do whatever the technique you use on each point. It makes it less boring when you have more points to work on. It's okay to overlap as long as it doesn't hurt yourself or your partner. Number 3. Get more techniques under the belt. If you feel your thumbs and fingers are burning, you're probably using the typical thumb circling or squeezing with thumbs and fingers. Unless you have a thumbs of steel, it's the fastest way to kill your thumbs. There are ways to save your thumbs if you use your thumbs, and there are many other ways to massage without using your thumbs and fingers. Learn the proper techniques so you can give more effective massages easier whenever and wherever without hurting yourself. So these are the ways to fill the massage time. What's even better is to under-promise and over-deliver. So promise to give 5 minutes of massage but give more than 5 minutes. Don't promise to give 5 minutes of massage and give up after 2 minutes because it can lead to a feeling of disappointment. Knowing how to give a good massage is truly a gift that keeps on giving. If you didn't know, I have a free video ebook on how to massage your partner from head to toe. And you can download it on my website at bliss2massage.com. So you can start pampering your partner today. Thanks for watching. I'll see you back next week. Make it a great week. Feel free to comment below and please don't forget to subscribe. Happy massaging on Valentine's Day.